Oh. Ngayon nyo lang napansin.
First, we would like to thank the Lord for giving us all of these, for giving us the guidance and the blessings to be here. Secondly, we would like to thank our UPSI, through Marlene, Les, and Faye. And we would like to thank and congratulate ourselves for our job well done. I will not repeat what has been presented. But I will say that we have all learned and we have enjoyed it. Let us now go out and apply it, and let's continue to learn and enjoy it. So this is not the end of the class today.
I mean, next week pa.
Read some books.
That's another class.
The next class is to come.
Maminit.
Can we hear Ms. De La Cruz say something on
Valedictorian.
mga anak ko?
Mommy!
You know why? I said I'm very sad this afternoon because I remember many years when I graduated. I was saying I was beautiful then.
Until now.
Honey, you're still beautiful.
Really, I thank my husband for really literally pushing me to take this course. And I am very happy because from now on I have 21, plus 6, plus Mangalugam, another. So, you know, plus maybe I will be Ninang.
Piraida.
Yes?
Yes.
Sabi na pili pa si Jennifer de la guys.
Hoy, akin yun!
Mami, si Ryla December. I hope so.
Ryla, invite us.
I'm just steps away.
Yeah.
Ano, sa summer ang sirene.
Ilipad nyo kami dun.
I will never forget this night. I hope you will always be available every time I text.
Mami, adatin mo na ako.
Maraming salamat sa inyo po. It's actually a mixture of feelings, no, that you are all officially alumni of the UPI now. But we hope to see you back, no? You have lots of courses. I am opening my managing your finances and a lot more training programs for all of you. Pero ito yung pinaka sa lahat ng programa natin.
Premium.
Ito talagang core ng training program. Anyway, what's next? Butch. Bago daw tayo magkanta natin ng Lupin, may presentation si Butch. Uy, Butch, iiyak dito na.
Oo, kasi hawak lang.
Saan mo yun?
May mga kapit na
Meron din. Naka-video, mataas yung pa niya.
Butch, send mo. Send mo, Butch. Candle na yun naman.
84th MC Scandal.
Ay, wala pa.
Sayang.
Sino may laptop? Kasi, ano,
Sa kotse na, sa kotse.
Mamaya na lang sa baba.
sa baba?
Wala.
May projector. Bakit?
Ano, TV.
TV?
Oh, TV. Bakit ang problema?
Hindi na sa kotse.
Wala, yung video.
Hindi
Yung konting program.
Oo.
May, mamaya na lang sa akin.
Laptop na lang.
Oo, sa baba na lang.
Laptop.
Okay.